Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 7, simple interest. You have already got one lesson, this is the second. Before observing this video, my suggestion, you must go through the first video. There you will get the formulas. That will be helpful. Please pay your attention now on the board. The sums are given from ML Agarwal from exercise 7.4. Please pay your attention. Find the time when simple interest on rupees this at this percent is this. The sum you will get in book. Now see the solution. Here data you have to write first. SI equal to rupees 200 and principal that is 2,500. Rate of interest are equal to 4% per annum and time is required. By the problem you have to understand clearly. The data, if you write clearly, then easily you will get the solution. Time is required, that time equal to that formula. By putting the formula, we have to put the relevant values, and after putting the values, calculation also is the vital. You must notice the calculation attentively, and after that we are getting the time is 2 years. This is the answer. Second sum also same thing. First you have to write the here. By reading the problem you have to understand the terms. That is simple interest on rupees this. That is this the principal. This is the rate and this the simple interest. So principal is this, rate of interest this. It is in mixed fraction. You have to convert into improper fraction, and then we have to find out the time. Time equal to that is by applying the formula. Then you have to put the relevant values. After putting relevant values, you have to simplify. By simplifying, we are getting 3.5 years. This calculation, you take the screenshot. After taking the screenshot, then you will observe the calculation. Calculation is vital. Next sum, find the principal when this sum is given clearly. Then you have to go through the solution. Here the rate of interest are equal to 16%. Time is given here in mixed fraction, that is by improper fraction, 5/2 years, and SI equal to, by reading the problem you have to understand this term. SI equal to 3,840 and principal is required. Find the principal. So by applying the formula and putting the relevant values, by calculation we are getting this. Therefore the principal is rupees this. So sum is completed, first part. Then the second part, here also you have to write the data. Rate of interest are equal to, in mixed fraction you have to convert into improper fraction. Time is 2 years 4 months. These 4 months you have to convert into years divided by 4, because 12 months equal to 1 year. After dividing this by 12, then we are getting the improper fraction. This is 7/3 years. Then SI equal to this and principal is required. Therefore P equal to, after writing the formula, then you have to put the relevant values. After putting relevant values you have to calculation. In calculation we are getting principal is rupees 15,600. Calculation you have to notice attentively. Next and last sum, that is sum number 7, invested. This is invested at 4% per annum SI. How long will it take for the amount to reach this? After reading the problem you have to understand the terms. Here reach the amount, this the amount, and this the principal, and this the rate of interest. How long will it take? That means time is required. So after reading the problem attentively, then you have to write to the datas. P equal to this, rate of interest equal to 4% per annum, amount is this, and the time is required. The amount and principal is given, so SI equal to amount minus principal. After that we have to put the values. After putting values we are getting the SI rupees 2240. Then time equal to, by applying formula we are getting this. Then we have to put the relevant values. After putting the relevant values and by calculation we are getting the time 4 years. At last you have to write the answer. The time is 4 years. The sum is completed. My suggestion, you must go to the first video. There are formulas you have to remember, and the steps, all the steps if you follow attentively. I may assure this chapter is very simple. Simple interest, simple, you will understand. Very simple chapter. Okay, thank you everybody.